Hi, it's Jordan calling from T11 Tyres.
How you doing, mate?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, so.
Good, I'm at the Insignia now. I'll probably just leave my van on the street and just work from the street, to be honest with you. It shouldn't be too bad. Oh, I almost fell over. Just need you to pop out to unlock it and the locking up key, if that's okay.
Yeah, cool, mate.
Perfect, see you shortly, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it will be perfect. Cool. Right, what I'll do is I'll crack on, get it all sorted.
Try, like, do you want me to try and roll it? People are in and out there on time. People are nightmare.
I just have to be as quick as I can and we'll have to try and squeeze past. So that's all we can do, innit?
Do you want me to try and move it out a bit?
In what, over here?
Yeah.
Because I've got plenty of room.
You got plenty of room?
I've got enough room to work.
Oh,
yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just leave it here.
Okay.
Just about done if you want to pop out when you get a chance. That's it all sorted. So your locker nuts back on the passenger seat.
Yeah.
That's your keys. I just need to take some details for the invoice if that's okay.
Yeah.
That's swapped over. That's one of our cards with all our details.
So,
apart from that, all sorted, all good to go. He's going, he's moving.